Okay, I just thought it's needed to send you another video because God, the first one this week was so blurry. Oh my goodness, and I got so frustrated. I was even thinking now it's time to get me a new camera, but this camera does not fall and felt or whatsoever, so I was still thinking this camera does it correctly. If I move to my garden, everything is filming correctly, so why did it not here? So yeah, I'm glad to tell because yes, it is working now, guys, finally. So I just like to tell you that, yeah, finally I got it, and I hope it will stay this way. And I apologize for all the bad videos, for all the blurry videos that there are online already. I apologize. Even with this new project, oh yeah, it's a little, I just needed to put this away, but even this new project, I still was dealing with the bad images. So I apologize. So once the new project is online, be aware, please. I did my best. I had a lot of stress about it, but I could not deal with it. I could not. But finally, I got the solution. Yes. Yeah. No idea that I ever used ChatGPT, but yep, I did use it. It was a recommendation of my daughter to use it, and I did, and voila. Okay, I call it ChatGPT. I have no idea how you all call it, and but I did it. Gosh, yes. So I apologize again for all the blurriness. I still hope that the videos are worthy to watch, that you can make your own project. I still hope that. I can't do them over again because I am way behind already. I'm still working on it. The project, as you can see, the cover is already going in progress. I am almost finished. I hope next week to be again here with a new project. So fingers crossed that I will finish that. I am ready to continue. So yeah, that is just what I like to say to you all, because yeah, I noticed in the comments a lot of you are annoying by it, but yeah, so I thought I need an extra video to explain that hopefully I finally found it, how it works now. All right, so yeah, further than that, what else can I tell you? Yeah, about the page contest, I got a lot of questions about it. So just here again, I like to make a competition, a contest for pages, because yeah, for me it's also difficult to think of new pages, and it's all been done. Everything, if you go on YouTube or Pinterest, it's all been done. It's all a pocket, a flip-flop, a pop-up. It's all been done, guys. So it's all been done. So it's not new whatsoever. Everybody, there are so many crafters on YouTube who does this. So everything is not new. Nope, I know. But I still love to do it, and I hope, and I think you all still love to do it. So I'm just kind of craft, and I'm still going to do what I mostly love to do, and that's making albums, making pages, making activity pages, and that's just what I do. So I was thinking about that contest because I like to know what you like to see in a page. I like to see what your favorite page is. I was just nipping to my puppy because she was nipping on a box that needs to be sent out. Okay. All right. So yeah, I like to see your most precious page that you like to see. If you are willing to make that for me, just one page. If you are willing to make that for me, use your own papers, use my papers, whatever papers collection you like to use. And you are willing to send it to me personally, so I receive it in my hands, not just photos, not just a video. No, I like to see it in my hand. So I got to explore the page because I love to see other pages. I love to see other, well, albums as well, but only send one page because I don't want to force you into sending me a full album. That is not the clue. If you're willing, that, but please, just one page, one page. It can be a 10 page, a thick page, whatever kind you like. Please send it to me, and then you are joining this contest, and you are getting the date of 31 December. You get the time to send me that till 31 December. I hope to receive them all before 31 December, and then I can... Oops! What's going on? What's going on here? She's playing a little bit too rough. Now, go, 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 go. Alright, so send me your most precious page, and then I will pick 3 winners in January. And maybe you like even to see me the pages. So don't be shy. I am going to show you the pages. Maybe not all. I have no idea how many I will receive. Maybe only 5, maybe only 10. I have no idea. Maybe more, I hope. Yeah, once in a while, I'm going to show them. And then in January, I'm going to pick out 3 winners. And each winner receive 3 kits by your own choice, and I will send them to you worldwide. I don't mind. I am very, very blessed that you are willing to send me those. So I am willing to send 3 kits to the 3 winners as well. All right, that's the deal, guys. Oh yeah, and the sale is still going on, guys. The 2 is 3. Buy 2 kits and you get the 3rd one for free. Buy 2 paper collection and you get the 3rd one for free. Or buy 2 digitals and you get the 3rd one for free. So, but you can't mix them. All right, so not 1 kit, 1 paper collection and 1 digital and then get 1 for free. No, it really is each one. All right, guys, so I'm so happy that I'm still focusing. Oh, that is my most precious thing of being here today. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy. All right. Guys, send me your pages. Send me an email. Oh yeah, that's just one thing. My address. Of course, I'm not going to show that here on YouTube. If you are ready with your page, just send me an email. My email is to be found under every description box in every video. So just send me an email that you are ready to send me your page for the contest. And then I will give you the email, my address through the email. That's the deal. All right. Oh God, I'm so excited. I can't wait. All right, see you. Bye-bye.